Since I've gotten my first laser engraver, I've been making and selling wall art like what you see on my walls here, but today I want to bring it up a level, making color, layered art pieces for a few dollars per design. I've been selling many of this cat, and same thing for this Montreal map, but what I'm making today, I think I can pull more profits for not much more work. I found a seller on Etsy. I'm not affiliated with them, but they make a lot of amazing designs that are ready to cut on the laser engraver. I'll leave links in the description on where to find them. The Falcon 2 cuts this 3mm basswood in a single pass really fast, which takes me less than 15 minutes per layer for about an hour more or less of laser time per piece like this, and maybe 15 minutes hands-on. It really depends on the complexity of the pieces. Some layers can take a few minutes, while some have a ton of detail. The wood that I have left here is 16 by 12 inches, so I'm going to cut 2 layers per board at 8 by 8 inches. The Falcon 2 cuts those really sharp without any burning. I used to make those at 10 watts on a different laser, and I had to use 2 passes at a lower power to avoid getting burnt bits on the smaller details. This does them perfectly. Alignment was pretty important because I'm using most of the board. So using light burns option to activate the laser at a low percentage while circling the cut area is a huge help. If you haven't already, subscribe to not miss any new woodworking videos, cool shop toys I play with like this Falcon 2 laser, and other builds of all sorts. Thanks to all subscribers for helping me get to 8,000 subs. Once I had all my layers, I taped them together to make sure everything was nice, and because, I'll be honest, I was just curious and excited to see them assembled. They look awesome, I can't wait to add color. The files come with suggested colors, so I headed to Dollarama, a Canadian dollar store, to find, at a low cost, the closest acrylic colors I could to those, and I'm not afraid to mix a few colors to get what I want. While I was there, I also got those mounting sets, which I've been using mainly for their alligator clip mounts, perfect for lightweight art like this. Back home, I got to coloring. For items like this, I prefer a sponge versus a brush. I find it leaves a more uniform finish, which lets the colors pop out more. As I said, I'm not afraid to make my own colors, and I had to for the skin tone. I think it came out perfect. Here they are, laid out to dry for about an hour. Pile them up in the same order. It's easy to get them wrong. Some are very similar. I've had good success with a new technique to attach those. Simple masking tape. They keep everything tight and take on paint very well, as you'll see soon. Tape them in order, making sure to stay square and tight, and stop at a corner for less visible results. Same thing for the second frame. This one is less layers, so the extra tape is folded onto the back. I used the same acrylic black paint as I used on the wood to paint the sides. No more tape. After letting those dry, I added the hooks. Make sure it's centered and not visible from the front, and it'll be perfect for this. Make sure to send the nail through the border, the area where each layer has no details and the nail won't be seen. Here's the final result. I love them and I think I'm keeping them. But you bet they're already on the marketplace and I'm ready to make more to sell, or even sell mine and make myself another one after, when demand hits. I plan to sell those in the bathroom decoration section at $35 each. And I'll include photos of the other potential files that this Etsy seller has, so my buyers know their options and I'm not limited by the ones I made. Making those on my Creality Falcon 2 has been great. I'm still using this unit after my review, finding ways to monetize it on the marketplace, and it's been a great addition to my shop. Thanks again to Creality for sending me that. If you haven't seen my review yet, check the links in the description or click on the video above. Subscribe for more builds and shop time, and thanks for watching.